Hey everyone, welcome back to Wally's Tech World. My name is James, and today we're diving into the Fitbit Versa 4 smartwatch, a sleek and versatile smartwatch designed to help you stay active, healthy, and connected. Whether you're looking for a fitness tracker, a productivity companion, or a stylish wearable for everyday life, the Versa 4 packs a ton of features into a lightweight design. Let's explore why this might be your next smartwatch. Let's start with what's in the box. The Fitbit Versa 4 comes with the smartwatch, a magnetic charging cable, and both small and large bands to ensure the perfect fit. The first thing you'll notice is its sleek, lightweight design and bright AMOLED display, which is crisp, colorful, and easy to read in any lighting condition. It's a watch you can wear comfortably all day, whether you're working out or heading to the office. When it comes to fitness tracking, the Versa 4 has you covered. It tracks all the essentials: steps, calories burned, heart rate, and distance, and it offers over 40 exercise modes, including running, cycling, yoga, and more. One standout feature is the Daily Readiness Score, which uses your activity, sleep, and heart rate variability to tell you whether your body is ready for a workout or needs recovery. It's like having a personal coach right on your wrist. The health tracking features on the Versa 4 are just as impressive. It offers continuous heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and SpO2 oxygen saturation monitoring, giving you a complete picture of your overall wellness. Pair the Versa 4 with Fitbit Premium, and you unlock even more insights, including advanced sleep metrics, guided workouts, and stress management tools. It's perfect for anyone serious about improving their health. Beyond fitness, the Versa 4 works as a smart companion. You can receive notifications for calls, texts, and apps, control your music, and even use voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. The watch seamlessly syncs with the Fitbit app, where you can dive into your data, set goals, and connect with a community for extra motivation. Battery life is always a big deal, and the Versa 4 delivers with up to 6 days on a single charge depending on your usage. And when you're running low, the fast charging feature gives you a full day of battery life in just 12 minutes. It's also water resistant up to 164 feet, so whether you're swimming, showering, or caught in the rain, the Versa 4 is built to handle it. Key features of the Fitbit Versa 4. 1. Sleek design, lightweight and stylish design with a bright AMOLED display for easy readability in any lighting condition. 2. Comprehensive fitness tracking, tracks steps, calories, heart rate, and distance with over 40 plus exercise modes including running, yoga, and cycling. 3. Daily Readiness Score analyzes your activity, sleep, and heart rate variability to suggest workouts or recovery days. 4. Health monitoring. Continuous heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and SpO2 oxygen saturation monitoring for a detailed view of your wellness. 5. Smart features. Provides call, text, and app notifications with integration for Alexa and Google Assistant. 6. GPS, built-in GPS and workout intensity map. 7. Water resistant up to 164 feet, making it suitable for swimming and other water-based activities. 8. Long battery life, offers up to 6 days of battery life with a fast charging feature. 9. Fitbit Premium compatibility unlocks advanced metrics, guided workouts, and stress management tools for more in-depth health insights. Let's break it down with some quick pros and cons. Pros: 1. Lightweight design and bright AMOLED display. 2. Excellent fitness and health tracking features. 3. Long-lasting battery life with fast charging support. 4. Integration with Fitbit Premium for advanced insights. Cons: 1. Some advanced features require Fitbit Premium subscription. 2. Limited third-party app support compared to some competitors. 3. Lacks a built-in speaker for making phone calls. So, should you buy the Fitbit Versa 4? If you're looking for a fitness-focused smartwatch with excellent health tracking, a sleek design, and great battery life, it's an easy recommendation. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or want to stay on top of your wellness goals, the Versa 4 delivers all the essentials and more. It offers a great balance of functionality and affordability. Current pricing is $155.94. Check the link in the description to get the most up-to-date pricing on this product. Prices fluctuate daily and current pricing may vary significantly from what is listed in this video. And as always, drop a comment below. What's your favorite feature in the Fitbit Versa 4? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.